That was bad. I'm not warmed up. I just woke up. But thanks. Hey, what's up, guys? Logan Paul here. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna get some Prime, even though I don't have any money. Hopefully, it'll be my first one. If I do a backflip, would you give me a Prime? Just one Prime? If I do a backflip right now, film it. Here.
I know you can do it. I'm gonna film you though. I'm gonna see.
All right.
Let me see some crazy shit.
Yeah. That was bad. I'm not warmed up. I just woke up. But thanks, man. All right, we got one Prime. Oh, there's only one Prime, Logan Paul. Oh, dang. There's only two. Oh, I'm gonna take them all. Give me a Prime. No. Nah. All right, for Logan, not for Logan Paul. This is going to Logan Paul, by the way. All right. All right, Logan Paul, let's go. I didn't bring my wallet, but hopefully we'll get, by then, we'll break our knees for this Prime. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, would you, oh, yo, Oliver, good to see you.
How you doing?
Bless, how are you?
Good.
Dude, I was actually, I'm trying to make, so I forgot my wallet and I'm trying to get Prime for Logan Paul. It's a content thing, but would you buy me a Prime if I do a backflip for your kids?
I'll buy it for you.
Dude, thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Where are you headed next?
I don't know yet.
Okay, no worries. We're getting the Prime, Logan Paul. It took a lot to get this, but no, I'm just kidding. All right, where is it? Come on, Logan Paul, what's the problem here? These are too tiny. I'm just kidding. Did it work? The heck, Logan Paul? Wait a second. This is a prank or what?
Key in items code.
It's right there, right?
Yep.
What the heck? You're asking us to take it or what? What the heck? Hey, how about we try scanning it like this? Oh, there we go. There we go. Logan Paul. You got it. You do. He's got the skills. He's got.
Nope.
1 year later. Sorry, we'll just do two if you want. Thank you, man.
No problem. Yeah, they're not working.
Yeah, all right. Well, we didn't make you $4, Logan Paul. I'm sorry about that. So, guys, hey, I'll give you some Prime. You want how much you want to pay for this Prime?
I'm good.
Logan Paul, no. How much you? I mean, how many bags? No, I'm just kidding. You want some Prime? Hey, I'm trying to buy. You want some Prime? No. Nah. Hey, man, you want a healthy energy drink? Healthy energy drink? You want a healthy energy drink? Healthy energy drink? Prime. I'm trying Logan Paul, KSI. This stuff is not easy to sell. Maybe I should probably take it out of here. Maybe it'd sell better. All right, we're going for it. You want some Prime? You want Logan Paul's and KSI new drink? Nah. All right, we are going to review the product right here, right in the public. Hopefully people will walk around here. All right, let's get it. All right, we're going super sketchy. We're gonna try the green one first. All right, green one first. And then we're gonna set it up with the purple one because we don't even have a tripod. That's how. All right. Here we go. All right. Right here. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. Let's see. Filtered water, coconut oil. That's not too bad, except a lot of different, whatever. We'll ignore the ingredients. You ready, Logan Paul? You ready? This is my honest reaction, all right? All right. Deep breath in, warm up a little bit. No, just kidding. Dude, let's go. That's good stuff, bro. Holy crap. There must be drugs in that crap. No, that's so good. That's literally, the taste just stays with you. Literally. What's up? The taste just stays with you. That is good. I'm gonna buy these. Hopefully they're not gonna kill me, but I'm gonna buy these. And they won't kill the wallet either. They're very cheap. They're $188. Gluten-free, caffeine-free. Wait, caffeine-free, that's crazy. Okay, here we go. Here we go, guys. Purple, the grape one, grape flavor. This one, it looks really good. Tried to get all of them, but, all right. That one's not as good, actually. What's up, man? That one's not as good. I'll be honest. But it's still way better than a normal drink. Honestly, like, I think it was just because my taste buds were so fired up after that one. That, like, what flavor was that? Yeah, my taste buds were so fired up after that one. So, honestly, you want some, hello? You want some of KSI's new drink? Okay. Anyways. No, I'm gonna buy these for sure. These, hopefully they're not like super bad for me. They don't look the greatest, to be honest, with as far as, I don't know. I'll have my mom look at the ingredients because my mom's more into health. It's the aftertaste. The aftertaste stays with you. Literally, like, it just stays. It's not like a crummy Gatorade, you know? Thank you, guys. Thumbnail. Because the lemon lime was so strong, so it overpowered it. That's why it didn't taste good originally, but then after it was good, but it's still good. But now it's great. It's amazing. This stuff is fantastic. Get it. Order it right now or you're toast. Link in the description. No, seriously, I'm not trying to promote it or anything. I'm actually not sponsored by them or anything. But it's a good stuff. It's good stuff. Prime.